Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video on another strategy that you guys might want to check out. Just keep in mind I have not tested this out yet. It looks good to me, but I have not had a chance to test it out yet. And this is supposed to have an 80% win rate. So here we are. So I'm on my trading view here, and this is actually using two indicators. So if you're on a free account, this will work. So I just have the GBP JPY open here, and what we're using is 3 EMAs and the B-Xtrender. So go into the settings here. So actually this is, let me show you what the indicator is first. And so the indicator here is this one right here. So it's 7 EMA underscore 5 MA by storwize. And so if you just click on that, and you can just type that in up here too. So just type in 7 EMA, and when you see this one, just click on it, and it'll add it to your chart. I'll turn that one off for a second here, and we'll add it again. So that's what it'll look like when it first adds it. It's got a ton of moving averages built into it. So I will show you my settings on this one here. Okay. Guess I deleted that one. So we'll just re-add it fresh. And give me 1 second here. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go into EMA, this little icon here for settings. Click on that, and we're only going to be using 3 of these, so you can see all these moving averages they have in here. So we can just uncheck all of these, because we're only going to be using 3. That's on your style tab there. So go to inputs, and we're just using 1, 2, and 3 here. We don't have to change any of these because we already removed them on the style tab. So we're going to be using the 21 EMA, and this one here we're going to change to 89, and this one here we're going to change to 200. Okay, so we got 21, 89, and 200. Okay, so you see we got 3 of them right here, and you can see we got 3 on the chart. So I just go in here and I change them. You can change them to whatever you want. I like white and 100% opacity, and we'll do 3 on the pixels or the thickness, and then we can do red and 3 and yellow and 3 on that one as well. So alright, so now you can see here we've got the red, white, and yellow, and just keep track of which one is which. So when you set these up in your settings, your colors, so just remember that EMA 1 is 21, that's your shortest EMA. EMA 2 is 89, EMA 3 is 200. Okay, so basically the strategy is pretty simple. So whenever you're looking for a short or a put, basically saying that the price is going to go down, so you want to have the lines in this order as they are right here. So you want yellow, red, and white, and then down here, so you want the white to be below the red and then the red below the yellow, if that makes sense. So as they are right here, and then also you're going to look for a dot right here, a red dot from the B-Xtrender, and that would be right about here. Let me go in here and just show you the settings on this in case I changed anything. I don't remember if I did or not. I think it's all default in this indicator here. So 5, 20, 15, 20, 15, and okay, so I have the shadow turned off. I have the B-Xtrender trend line turned off, and that's it. Everything else should be pretty pretty much default. Okay. So anyway here, so you can see this is how we want it right here. So I'll put a line here. Okay, so this red dashed line, that would be our spot. So when that candle finishes, and notice here I'm on the 5-minute chart, you can probably use this for any time frame. As I said, I haven't tested this yet, but it looks pretty good to me so far. So this would be our entry at the end of this candle here. So when this candle ends and finishes up, closes, and you see you got the yellow and then the red and then the white line, and then you also get a red dot down here on the B-Xtrender, then that's your entry signal. So you can see right here, we would have taken our trade at the close of this candle here, so that would have been right there. And clearly this is a winning trade right here. So we would have took it right here, we would have entered there, started our trade for 5 minutes in this example, and at the end of 5 minutes, price would have finished here, so that would be a win. So see if I can find another one. Let's see. Okay, here's a good one here. So we got yellow, red, white line, and this candle closed out right here. So we would have took our entry here. That's where our entry would have started. We would have placed our trade for 5 minutes, for example, and you can see because we had a red dot here as well, and clearly this candle finished right here, so that's a win as well. So I'll look and see here if we get, okay, so here's one in the opposite direction, so this would be a buy or a call. And let's see here, so that would be right here. Okay, so that's where we would have took on that candle there when it closed. Okay, so this would have been our entry because we have when we're placing the short trades, we had yellow line, red line, white line. So now in this one here, we have the white line is above the yellow and the red. So that's fine. They don't have to specifically be in that order. These two are really close. So we would have took our trade right here, and this one went way up here. So because the white line's above the other two, and we got a green dot down here from the B-Xtrender, and so that would have been a win as well. And same on this one here. So we get the green dot. The white line is above the red and the yellow. This candle closes. Take our trade right there at the end of this candle, and that one would have went to right there, closed right there, and so that's another win. So these are all, we can do the same even on this one here. Almost every time you look at it, it's pretty accurate. So on this one here again, green dot, white line's above the red and the yellow. This candle closes, and we take our entry, and right here that would have been a win as well. Not a big win, but in binary you don't need to have a big win, as long as it finishes higher than when you started. So, and I mean, you can just see them over and over again on here. So even though this one did print a red dot here at the bottom, and then immediately the next candle gave a green dot, but the green dot there and the white's above the red and the yellow, so we would have took the entry here, and it would have finished up here, so that's another win. And then if we go back down to here, here's another one. That's where we would have took our trade. It would have finished right there. Not much of an increase in the candle size, but still a win. And same on this one here. Green dot. Candle closes here. White is above the red and the yellow. we would have took our entry here, and this candle would have closed here, so another winner. So hopefully that helps you guys, and that's a strategy that you can test out. If you do test it out, like I said, it does look good, but I haven't had a chance to test it, so you can either test it in demo or you can use it with real money, but I wouldn't bet much just till you test it out yourself and make sure that it's a good quality strategy. But I feel like it is, but I can't make any guarantees on that. So, if you have money in your account and you want to test it out with real money, just do a dollar trade or something. Nothing big. But anyway, so hopefully that strategy will help you guys, and most of you guys, I imagine, that were interested in the other strategy, that's in the strategies channel here in the Discord. So if you have any questions or need help with anything, feel free to post in the appropriate channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.